Welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So this video is to buy or not to buy video. So I'll be showing you a few products which I liked and few of the products which I didn't like. I will explain everything to you, and the last to buy or not to buy video, you guys loved it and enjoyed it and said that I should do this more often. So I thought that why not do this again. So few of these items are food items, of course, because I experiment a lot with food, and also there are a few other things which I want to show you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to show you guys is a bag. Now I had a tote bag previously from the same Insta store that I will be talking about more. It was a black bag, it was a tote bag, and it was large. I wanted a bag which is large in size. That was that, but that bag didn't have a zip. Now I had a lot of documents and money and things like that, and I wanted a bag which has a proper zip. And since I was very satisfied with the last product that I bought from them, I thought that why not buy again from them, because I love the store. That's an Insta store. Now the name is The Trend Makers. They give you amazing products with affordable prices, and that's why I thought that I should share this with you. I will leave the link to each and every product in the description box below, so you don't have to worry about that. So this is the one. This bag also is large in size. This is a tote bag, and it has got two flaps here and a zip here. Inside there is another compartment with a zip in it. So it's a large bag, and I wanted something like this, so that's why I invested in this bag. With that, they gave me a small sling bag. It has just one compartment, just a zip one. So sometimes if I don't have to take a lot of things with me, then I take this bag, and sometimes if I have to take a large bag, I need that, then I take this one. So yeah, why I bought this color, because if you have watched my last what's in my bag video, then you know that I tend to use my bags in a very rough way. I'm not very pro in keeping my bags very clean, so that's why I wanted to buy a bag which is not black but something in a darker shade, so that it doesn't get dirty. So this is a very good color. It's an olive green color, and I absolutely love the color, and also love the bag. So this is the first product. The second thing that I wanted to show you was this wallet. Now if you have seen my favorites video, then you know that I bought a wallet from Miniso, but I had a problem with that wallet. It was that it didn't have any zip. I have a zip issue with all of my bags, so that's why I made sure that all of my bags in this purchase have zips. So that small wallet Miniso bag didn't have any zip, and the problem with that was that I couldn't keep any coins in that, and that was a huge problem for me. This bag is from a shop which is right opposite South City Mall. It's known as Leatherland, and I have shopped from there before. And I found this very pretty. The color is awesome, and there is a coin compartment here, which is very handy for me, and as usual the card holders, and there is adequate space, and I love the color, even though this will be dirty very soon, but I'll try to keep it clean. That's a challenge that I've thrown myself into. So this is the bag. So yeah, these are the two non-food products that I wanted to talk about. Now moving on to the food products. So most of the food products I have finished, and these are the empty packets that I have as usual. The first food item that I want to talk about is again popcorn. As you know, I love popcorns, and I try out new flavors each time, and this is from brand 4700BC Gourmet Popcorn. This is in the flavor sour cream and wasabi cheese popcorn. So this was a little different, and that's why I bought this, and as you can see, it's finished. I liked it, but I wouldn't say that I will buy it again, because this flavor is not for me, but you may like it. It has got a sour, as usual, a sour taste, and also the thing that I liked about this flavor is the cheese, because the cheese flavor I like, and that's why I bought it. So this is 50-50 for me. I don't know whether I like it or not, but I wouldn't purchase it again. But you can try it because the flavors are very different from the normal flavors that we get in the market. The second flavor that I bought is this orange chili caramel popcorn. Now I bought this because of the caramel flavor, because I love caramel flavored popcorns. Basically caramel flavored anything I love, but the chili and the caramel goes very well, but the orange flavor I didn't like, and I didn't like this popcorn at all. I am not going to buy this ever again, because this taste is again not mine. I didn't like this flavor at all. I didn't, because it was a pain to finish this whole packet. I liked the chili flavor, the caramel and the chili, they are very stark opposite in each other, but that thing I liked, but I didn't like. If the orange was not there, then this would have been a perfect one according to me, but I didn't like the orange and the caramel flavor, together. So not for me. 3 other products are left. Yeah, this one is Bisque Farm Almond Thins. This is how it looks, but I loved it. I absolutely loved it. Basically the thing is that these are very thin kind of biscuits, which I like, and I love the flavor. I love almond, so that's why I bought this. And this is a new packet. This is a repurchase for me, so that's why I would highly recommend it. You can try it. The taste is a little different from the normal biscuits that we have. The sweetness and the almond flavor and everything goes very well with each other according to me, so love this. The next product, I think many of you already know, because this is not a new launch or something. This is quite old. I also knew about this product and I've had it before a lot, but I thought that I should share this because many of you may not know about this. This is Pran Lychee fruit drink. This is, I think Pran is a brand from Bangladesh, and this is how it looks. This tastes the best if it is chilled, and this is a very good fruit drink. I absolutely love this flavored drink. Sometimes you can have this as an alternative to all these soft drinks that we have. The price of this is 10 rupees, and highly recommended for me. And the last product that I wanted to talk about is this Hershey's Kisses Cookies and Cream Creamy White Chocolate with Cookie Bits. Now I have had it a few days earlier. I tasted this and I loved it so much that I bought it again. These have a cream and a cookie flavor. I loved it. I also talked about Hershey's chocolate before in a favorites video. I would say that Hershey's chocolates have become my recent favorite. Price of this is rupees 50. I love the packaging as well, and everything about these chocolates are so good, and they are yummy, they are tasty, everything good. So highly recommended for me. So these are the few products that I've tried out this month, and a few of them I liked, few of them I didn't. Just a disclaimer that the few that I didn't like are my personal opinion. You may like it, but I just wanted to share my opinion with you because I feel that you enjoy that. And if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, stay tuned till my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive.